How to make your first million in personal finance 10 steps to financial success. Topic 19. Making your first million. I've been working for years, but I still can't see how I'll ever make a million. Is it even possible for someone like me? 1. Believe in your potential. Your millionaire journey starts with mindset. Before you can make your first million, you need to believe it's possible. Wealth isn't reserved for the lucky few. With the right mindset and strategy, you can build your path to success. 2. Start early. The power of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more your money works for you. Saving and investing KSH 1000 every month for 10 years can accumulate significantly through compound interest. The key is starting now. 3. Focus on increasing your income. Work smarter, not harder. While cutting expenses is important, increasing your income accelerates wealth. Look for ways to upskill, ask for a raise, or start a side hustle. A higher income gives you more to save and invest. 4. Save and invest aggressively. Invest for the long term. You need to save at least 20% of your income and invest it wisely. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, make your money work for you. The more you invest, the faster you'll reach your million. 5. Cut expenses. Live below your means. Building wealth is not about living in luxury today, but living below your means. Cut unnecessary spending and put that extra money into savings and investments. Every KSH you don't spend today compounds over time. 6. Master the art of networking. Opportunities come from people. Building wealth isn't just about money, it's also about who you know. Network with people who are successful in areas you want to grow in. Connections could lead to business opportunities, job offers, or investments. 7. Create multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one job. The rich don't rely on a single income stream. Whether it's starting an online business, investing in rental properties, or generating passive income through dividends, the more streams you have, the faster you can reach your million. 8. Make smart investments. Don't gamble with your money. Don't risk your money on get-rich-quick schemes. Educate yourself about safe, long-term investments like stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts. Invest wisely and let your money grow steadily over time. 9. Be disciplined. Stick to your plan. It's easy to get distracted by short-term pleasures, but building wealth requires focus. Stick to your plan. Save, invest, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Consistency and discipline will get you closer to your million. 10. Set long-term goals. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Your first million won't happen overnight. Set clear financial goals with realistic timelines, then work diligently toward them. Stay patient and committed, and remember, wealth building is a long-term game. Your first million is closer than you think.